Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be a clean with me video. Kind of sort of a deep clean, but not really. In some places I have to do a deep clean, in some places it's just going to be light straightening up. But nonetheless, I appreciate you watching this video. For those who may be wondering like why I put all the candles on top of the fireplace, I have a dog and his tail, I don't want his tail to catch on fire. So they say that you're supposed to clean from top to bottom. That way all the dirt just kind of like falls. Gravity does this thing. And you're not, working harder. You're working smarter. So, but I don't have an order of cleaning. I do like what I feel like doing when I feel like doing it. Because if I had an order, I probably would get tired of cleaning and wouldn't do it. So I just, move around whatever I see dirty, But of course, you want to sweep first before you mop, period. Okay, so we are cleaning windows. Like, what is the occasion? What are we celebrating? My neighbor thought I was waving at her. I was like, go on, girl, do your thing. Go on, girl. Go on, get out of here. Okay, so I decided to blow out the candles. It started getting a little hot. I think it was like 50 or 60 degrees in Kansas. Yeah, I had to open some windows as well. So, fun fact about myself, I love emptying the dust out of the vacuum cleaner. It's very satisfying, and it shows you that your work was not in vain. Oh, here we are scrubbing baseboards. So this is behind the fridge. Yeah, you can watch it and see. And leave down in the comments below how frequently you wash clean behind your refrigerator. I'm just curious. We'll do a little poll survey. Okay, so something that you guys didn't see, I did off camera. There were some rugs here in this spot, and I picked the rugs up and gave them a vigorous shaking. So that's all the dust that came out of the rugs. That's not just, me sweeping up dirt. Like, my floor was not that dirty. Anyway, this is a judgment-free zone. So that's my dog. He just recently came back from the vet. He got into a dog fight. Y'all pray for him. Okay, so this is where my dog's bed is, so that requires a little bit more elbow grease. The applause for cleaning out the vacuum. Okay, so this is another thing that I would consider deep cleaning, because when I clean, I don't always go over the picture frames. Okay, so spots in the home that are more frequented, in those areas, you have to go over them at least 3 times. So as I said earlier, these clips are kind of out of order. Bear with. For those who have never cleaned their baseboards, don't be ashamed, but I will tell you that once you clean them, you'll love the feeling of looking at them sparkling. Like, it'll just put you in a good mood. It'll be good vibes. See, y'all, I have got to do better, because this clip is me boiling the water for the mop. So this should have definitely been one of the first clips, if not the very first, not the last. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. I'm gonna get it together.